Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While the rolling blackouts in Texas have left some 4 million residents without power in brutally cold weather, experts and community groups say that many marginalized communities were the first to be hit with power outages, and if history serves as a guide, could be among the last to be reconnected. 1 day ago.
Take our lead.
The separation of the Texas grid from the rest of the country has its origins in the evolution of electric utilities early last century. In the decades after Thomas Edison turned on the country's first power plant in Manhattan in 1882, small generating plants sprouted across Texas, bringing electric light to cities.
Let's help you make your mark.
Utilities in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi and southeast Texas have imposed rolling blackouts to ease pressure on strained power systems and to meet high demand for heat and electricity during frigid conditions.
Let's help you make your mark.
Abbott said about 325,000 Texans still lack power, not because of problems with generation but because of downed power lines and other issues. He is urging the state legislature to mandate winterization of generation and the power system as well as ensure the necessary funding.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They have to take some of the electricity off the system so that we can preserve for everyone else, says Studer. So that's why they do it on a rolling basis, where they can shut off power in one area for 30, 45 minutes up to an hour, and then they turn that back on, and then they turn something else off.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.